Wait, turn the light on more. Turn the lights on more. Because it might come out... It's going to come out dark again.
The light is on all the way.
Try that one, Ziad. Woo! We shall post this online again.
Wanna give me the piece of paper now, you dumb dog? Come here, doggy. I'm gonna use eyeliner. Come here.
Blue is a dog uses eyeliner.
Yeah. Hi. Oh my god. Nice. Bad doggy.
My key! She had it on the side.
I have no paper for you.
I had my brother's key all this time. And she has to
Where can I hide this?
Where's the garbage?
Where's the garbage? Over there. Oh, your dog's gonna attack me for the paper.
Good boy. No paper for you.
Good dog. No paper for you.
Amuse yourself. Really. I don't want you to need to Kamada.
No more. No more.
You Kamada.
I don't like you. What do you want from me?
This thing smells like piss.
Because your dog is pissed.
She pisses everywhere.
Ouch! You much. My word here is done. Okay, you can cut now. Why are you following me?
Because I don't want to be in there.
Hi. I saw you.
Extremely smallness.
I saw you. Yeah. You're pretty small.
We
saw you. Yeah. That doesn't fit around it. That's a little too big to be around it. I hope you know. Yeah, and you know what I'm talking about. And you're just smiling because you know that you're bigger than him. And you're saying, yeah, mine's this big.
And you're just like, yeah, I'm not part of this.
Yeah. He has a penguin on his shirt.
Oh! Penguin.
You see it? Penguin. You can't see it. Like elephant. Put your diamonds in the sky, more like around your crotch. Hell, I'd bang you even if you have a small penis. I said the word penis.
And now we come over here. Now we must have a documentary on this one.
Ooh, okay. I can start a whole shitload on that. Okay, you should have never went blonde. You and him should be gay. You should never get in the way of things. You should fuck Mikey up the ass. And you should just stay emo like you are.
Bob's cute though.
Bob's cute, but just Bob's not, no, he doesn't go with anybody here.
Neither does Ray.
Ray goes great with Mikey. Haven't you seen the pictures where he's like behind him?
Yeah, I guess. But
they look cute. Ray's teaching Mikey how to do guitar. Only Bob knows drums. Oh, Gerard.
Why blonde? Why blonde? All colors.
Why?
Look at that disgustingness. Blonde.
May the power of Christ compel you in the name of Jesus.
We have
Who
about.
else can we judge?
We have about 20 seconds left. Hurry up! American Rejects.
Ugly, cute. Panic. Ooh, panic. Okay. You look like a woman. You're hot. You need to get that mole removed, or you need to just wipe around your mouth. I don't know what that is, but you need to get it cleaned up. Hey girls,
blondness.
you're beautiful. Don't look at those stupid magazines like with stick-like models. Eat healthy and exercise. That's all. Don't let anyone tell you you're not good enough. You are good enough. You are too good. Love your family with all your heart and listen to it. You are gorgeous, whether you're a size 3 or a size 14. It doesn't matter what you look like on the outside, as long as you're a good person, as long as you respect others. I know it's been told hundreds of times before, but it's true. Hey girls, you are beautiful.
Gerard Way.
Let's see.
MC
Hot, hot, hot.
I drew that.
Ooh, we forgot one.
Awesome concert.
We forgot one.
What? Hmm.
Okay, let's see. You, I'd like to take my hands in your pants. You can just go orgasm with yourself. And you, we'll get us to on that one. 30 seconds to Mars. Okay, zoom out on Jared Leto.
It doesn't let me do.
No. Okay, I got it. Okay, that's Jared Leto. He's a total sex beast. I don't know who you are, but you look like Jared Leto, so yeah. Cartel. No thanks. Gerard. Oh wait, no, that's Mikey. Gerard. Yeah, that's Gerard. Ray and Mikey. Sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. And look. Frank and Gerard are together. Woo! And then there's Bob, the emo kid. Here's my co-host, Melissa. Oh, and I'm Bella. Let's see. You ugly? No, wait. Yeah, you're ugly. You're not. Ew, don't even get me started. Your gauges are way too big. And hi. This is Taquito, the penguin. He died. Well, he didn't really die. Yeah, on December 7th. Remember that day. Taquito was given away to children that did not deserve him. Ooh, and look who drew it. Chad Hazen. Whoa, he's good.
Evil blondness.
Evil blondness. Look at it. He looks like a demon. Rah.
Demons are cool.
Not him, though. Mechanical Roofman. SCFU Gerard. That was the funniest video I've ever seen in my
Okay.
life.
Well, this is the end of our documentary. Have a nice day.